The Nictama Store Electric Cheese Grater is your ultimate kitchen companion, designed to make meal prep faster, easier, and way more fun. With a powerful 250-watt motor, this electric cheese grater isn't just for block cheese. It's a multitasking marvel. It comes with 5 different blades, so you can shred, slice, and grate cheese, fruits, and veggies with zero hassle. Whether you're making a fresh salad, prepping ingredients for your favorite dish, or just need perfectly grated cheese for that gooey lasagna, this machine gets the job done in seconds. It's a real time saver, especially for busy households or anyone who loves cooking but hates the tedious prep work. For customer satisfaction, here are a few tips. Always ensure the attachments are securely fitted before turning the machine on. This keeps things smooth and safe. When cleaning, detach the blades and rinse them under warm water to avoid any leftover bits. Also, be mindful of the blade type you choose, as each is specifically designed for different textures and results. The compact design of this electric cheese grater means it's easy to store, and its sleek look blends well with any kitchen setup. Whether you're shredding cheese for pizza night, slicing veggies for a healthy salad, or grating fruits for a fresh dessert, this electric cheese grater makes it all effortless. It's reliable, powerful, and built to handle your everyday kitchen needs. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Looking for an all-in-one kitchen tool to make your meal prep a breeze? The Parmedu Store Electric Cheese Grater has got you covered. This awesome 2-in-1 gadget isn't just an electric cheese grater, it's a total kitchen powerhouse. With 12 versatile attachments, you can grate cheese, slice veggies, shred salads, chop ingredients, mince meat, and even make sausages or kibbeh. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a feast, this tool saves you time and effort while delivering perfect results every time. For customer satisfaction, make sure you follow the instructions to assemble the attachments properly. It's super easy and hassle-free. Cleanup is a breeze too, since most parts are detachable and washable. Plus, its compact design means it won't take up much counter space. Whether you're a pro in the kitchen or just starting out, this electric cheese grater will simplify your cooking and add a touch of convenience to your life. Give it a try. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. The KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder is a game-changer for anyone who loves spending time in the kitchen but doesn't want to deal with the hassle of manual prep work. This sleek, white attachment is perfect for quickly slicing and shredding your favorite ingredients. While it's not a traditional electric cheese grater, it pairs effortlessly with your KitchenAid stand mixer to give you all the power you need for shredding cheese, slicing veggies, or prepping fruits. It's versatile, efficient, and ideal for creating fresh salads, hearty casseroles, or even just grating cheese for your go-to recipes. For the best experience, make sure to attach it correctly to your stand mixer before use. It's simple to set up and designed for a perfect fit. Cleaning is super easy too. The components are dishwasher safe, which is a major win for saving time after cooking. Choose the right blade for the job, whether you're shredding cheese for a gooey mac and cheese, or slicing cucumbers for a crisp salad. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and the durable construction ensures it'll last through countless meals. If you're looking for a tool that delivers high-quality results without taking up extra counter space, the KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer/Shredder is a fantastic choice. It's like having an electric cheese grater and veggie prep assistant in one. Trust me, once you add this to your kitchen arsenal, meal prep will feel less like a chore and more like a creative adventure. The Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater is a must-have for anyone who wants to breeze through food prep without breaking a sweat. While it's not technically an electric cheese grater, this handy gadget packs a punch with its manual yet efficient design. It features 3 interchangeable blades that let you grate, slice, or shred with ease, perfect for cheese, veggies, fruits, and even nuts. Whether you're prepping ingredients for a vibrant salad, grating cheese for a creamy pasta, or slicing veggies for a stir-fry, this grater has got you covered. Plus, it's compact, so it won't hog up your kitchen space. To keep customers happy and satisfied, assembly and cleaning are a breeze. The suction base keeps the grater steady while you work, so there's no slipping or sliding. Always ensure the grater is firmly locked in place before use. It's quick to set up, but worth double-checking for smooth operation. When you're done, disassembling the parts is super simple, and all components are dishwasher safe, saving you tons of time. If you're hand washing, a quick rinse under warm water is all it takes to keep the blades clean and sharp. The Geedle rotary cheese grater is perfect for anyone looking for a safe, convenient, and versatile tool. It's kid-friendly too. No electricity means it's a great option for families who want to involve everyone in the kitchen. So, whether you're looking for an alternative to an electric cheese grater or just a reliable kitchen helper, this grater is your go-to choice for effortless and fun meal prep. The Home Party Electric Cheese Grater is the ultimate kitchen gadget for anyone who loves effortless and quick meal prep. With its powerful 250-watt motor and 5 interchangeable blades, this electric cheese grater is more than just a grater. It's a total kitchen assistant. Whether you're shredding cheese for a pizza, slicing cucumbers for a salad, or grating carrots for a dessert, this machine handles it all with ease. It's perfect for fruits, veggies, and different types of cheese, making it super versatile. Plus, its sleek and compact design means it won't clutter your counter, so it's as practical as it is powerful. For customer satisfaction, using it is as easy as pie. Make sure the blade is securely attached before turning it on, and you'll enjoy smooth, efficient performance every time. After use, cleanup is a breeze. The parts detach easily and are dishwasher safe, so you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The anti-slip base keeps it stable while in use, which is a great safety feature, especially when slicing tougher ingredients. Just follow the user manual for blade recommendations to get the best results for whatever you're prepping. This electric cheese grater is a fantastic choice for busy families, cooking enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to make food prep more fun and less tedious. Whether you're making a fresh salad, prepping ingredients for a hearty dish, or shredding cheese for your favorite comfort food, this machine delivers every time. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed without it.